So by the time you see this, it will be Christmas. And I thought, what could I do on Christmas that would be fun for everybody? And I decided to look ahead a little bit because denims are really strong for spring. Denims are really popular, and with anything that becomes popular, they become a little bit more difficult to get, the fabrics. So I put this together, this collection of denims. They're going to be $14.99 today and tomorrow, and they're just, I think they're beautiful. The colors, this is really this capri blue, which is going to be really popular. Just, I think everything is just so extraordinary. So let me start. They're all 100% cotton. They're all $14.99. Some have stretch and some do not. So let me show you that. This is, and they differ in color. So this, like I said, is that capri blue. It has stretch in one direction. It's lovely. This is a printed floral denim. It is a woven. There's no stretch at all. Great for pants, tops. The weight is lovely. Love this kind of beige, creamy, brown color, kind of a light brown color. It does have stretch in one direction, but just, well, I'm going to say no. It's just, there's no stretch to it really. You have a mechanical stretch, which some of these denims are such little stretch, but the selvage is beautiful. That's no stretch. This one is a dark navy, but it's a brushed on the inside. There's a, like a flannel feel to the inside. It's just incredible. And this has stretch in one direction. Just that slight stretch again. Again, 100% cotton. Love this. This is a painted floral. It's just beautiful. And I say painted because there's only one color, but there's three colors on the outside. This is beautiful also, and again, it has stretch in one direction. Very slight though, not a lot of stretch, and it's just one direction only. And aren't these fun? And then this is a chambray. So it's a navy, kind of a gray, kind of a black navy gray color all in one. Very light, but light enough for blouses and lighter garments. It's definitely, these are more 4 ounce. This is a 3 ounce. So I hope you enjoy Christmas Day. There's some beautiful new fabrics today and tomorrow. You know it. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.